Hello, everybody, and thank you for being here today. And thank you for all the new subscribers. And for those of you who continue to come out and support my channel, it means so much to me. I just want to let you guys know there is something very special happening in my Forex program, and I have created a pathway just to show you what it's like when you first come into my program all the way to when you get to other opportunities within my group, including in-house prop firms, becoming signal providers, learning how to be an elite trader where you can also trade other people's accounts from within my program. If you're a US trader and you want to have access to offshore brokers, I have all of this available to you from inside my program. And the signals I'm giving out are super amazing. And pretty soon, you will be able to copy those trades automatically as well. So I'm so excited to really show you what it's like to be inside my program. Here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first come into my program. I have a 6-week course that teaches you how to trade Forex. It's very hard for you to have a career in Forex if you don't at least understand the basics. And that's what this 6-week course is designed for you to go through. So you'll learn everything you need to know to become a successful trader. I also have an advanced coaching program inside my ebook that everyone receives when they join my program. So you can work at that on your own. And I am also available to help you as well. All right. And then you can earn money while learning how to trade. This is so awesome. One of the things that I got from a lot of new traders is that, they needed to make money when they first came into the program. And, it was taking them a lot longer to go through the 6-week course than they had liked. So I came up with this neat idea just to give everyone in my group free signals so they can start making money while they're learning. And then once you really are able to use the signals, learn enough from my ebook, if you're using Galileo, um, once you get to week 3 in my program, you'll have enough knowledge to be able to use Galileo as well. And I also have a guide specifically for Galileo that you will use as well. And then start creating passive income. I am very big on having multiple streams of income, especially as a trader. There's going to be times when the market is slow, or maybe you just don't feel like trading. Maybe you have other things going on where you just don't have time to trade for yourself. So I show you how to build passive streams of income in my program as well. And then for those of you who cross, I guess, a milestone, so to speak, and you get to a place to where you're like, you know what, I'm an amazing trader. I can trade anything under the sun. Um, these are the people that I really want to work with. So when you become an elite trader, you become part of a special group that's exclusive and works directly with me. I want to see you be successful because the more successful you are, the more investors I can attract into my program, the more investors I have, the more traders I can have, and the more money we make as a group turns into other opportunities. I have ideas of starting PAM accounts, in-house prop firms, and hedge funds and all types of stuff. But I need the people in my group to have disposable income. I don't want anybody wiping out savings, retirement funds, or money they can't afford to use. So this is why it's so important for me to teach you how to make money. All right. And then last but not least, you can become an investor in my program, and that's a world of opportunities. because you can fund as many accounts as you want and have a ton of people trading for you that's making you money all the time. And I really think that is absolutely amazing. So how do you join my program? The way you join my program is by going to my website. And on my website, you can see the different things that I offer, and you will see a registration form, and you will also see a checkout um, menu at the bottom of the page. So make sure you complete the checkout at the bottom of the page. And once you have done that, then come to my group and request to be admitted. There are so many people who come to my group first and request to be added without first registering. And then when I try and send them a message on Messenger, I never hear from them. So please make sure you are using Messenger, and because that's how I communicate with most people 90% of the time. I hardly talk to people through email, so it's very important that you're comfortable using the Facebook Messenger and also checking my Facebook group as well. All right. On my YouTube channel, I have a Forex playlist. And for those of you who are with me because of Galileo, I also have a playlist specifically for Galileo videos. So if you really want to know more videos on just those things, make sure you go to the playlist you're looking for, and there's tons of videos that will give you loads of helpful information. Okay, so next on the list is earning money while learning how to trade. So inside my group, I give signals. So all the signals are going to be inside my private group. And then I also give a brief analysis as to why I'm taking the trade. And I'll give you a ton of helpful information so that you can make a good decision about whether or not to take the trade or not. But if I'm giving you the trade, I've pretty much done all the hard work for you. All right. And then if there's any updates, I will update everyone with other posts. So there might be situations where I'm telling people, hey, add a trailing stop in, go ahead and start securing profit and things like that. So when you see this right here, that's because I have trailing stops built into the trade to protect the profit and keep securing more profit as the trade goes on. All right, and it's really powerful. Um, Most signal providers will charge anywhere from $60 to $200 per month, whereas I'm giving this to you guys for free just to be inside my program, and it really is awesome. If there's any updates, I will be sure to let the group know as well, and you really just can't beat it. So the reason why I also like giving signals is not just to help you earn money in my program, but also because it helps you learn. Over time, you start to see what I look for, and then things start to really stand out to you, and it really helps your learning. I believe with enough practice from using what you learn in my coaching program and the assistance of my signals, you will soon be able to have success in trading. So I think the free signals is awesome value to my program. All right. Next on the list is creating passive income as a signal provider. All right. I literally just started this account just to be able to show you guys this. Okay, so this right here is one account that I have, and I'm gonna have like 10 of these for you guys to copy. So don't sweat. I'm going to have accounts from $500 all the way up to $50,000 and maybe even higher than that. Um, just so you guys have plenty of options on being able to automatically copy trades. Some people don't have time to manually take the signals in my group. So this is why I am creating opportunities like this. And this is also how you learn how to start having passive income. So I started this account literally yesterday. All right. And it's already up 20%. That's phenomenal. Most traders don't even have 20% returns in an entire month. I had that in 1 day of trading, and that's not even the most impressive part. The most impressive part is that I had a maximum drawdown of 3.9%. That's a very low drawdown to have that much return. What that means is I must have had very good entries because in order to have that much profit between like only 5 trades um, means those are some awesome entries. And you learn these types of stuff from me. So I just wanted to give you guys just an example of what that looks like. Um, in this case, if someone wanted to subscribe to it, they would pay 30 bucks a month. And, times that across 100 people, that can turn into a very nice stream of income. All right. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you for all the subscribers and likes and comments and new students. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are making my dreams of becoming a fund manager come true one day, and I appreciate all of you. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.